Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC. Got another unboxing video for you today. As you can see in front of us, we've got the Team Associated SC6.1. This is the two-wheel drive short course racetrack. Came out 2 days ago. Picked one up from my local hobby store and excited to show you what's inside today. So the T6.1 and the SC6.1 came out about the same time. The T6.1 about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, I was kind of debating which kit to get. I knew I was going to get one of them, but I was sort of going back and forth on which one to buy. Decided on getting this, mainly because I already have a stadium truck. I've got a TLR22 T4.0. I've got a build series on that. And I don't really have a short course race truck, and so that fit that need quite nicely. The other thing is I haven't had a short course race truck in a long time. The last one I bought was a 22 SCT 2.0 about 4 years ago, and sort of been out of short course on the race side for a long time. So I decided to pick one of these up. I did not have an SC5M, and so finally Team Associated has updated the SC5M and come out with the SC6.1 now. They did skip the SC6, so there was no new race kit for the last few years. So anyways, yeah, let's take a look at this box. So here it is, SC6.1, two-wheel drive, blah, 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 28-time champion, Associated, couple seals. On the back here we got a couple little bits of information. So it's got carbon fiber shock towers or graphite, CVA, blah, 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 chassis, V2, big bores. Inserts in the rear arms, machine pistons, very nice. Yeah, so one piece shock assembly, yeah, it's interesting. So this is pretty much based off the B6.1, obviously. I do have a B6.1. You can check out my unboxing and videos on that as well. Everything on the back here seems like it is not in English, so I cannot read it. Caution, okay. What's going on over here? I saw that side's nothing big. Back side's got little bits of detail. So easy access ball diff, very nice. Hallmark of the 6.1, reverse ball crank, adjustable diff height. Yes, that is all new. V2 big bore shocks with machine pistons. I don't actually say that, but it does. That's very nice. Didn't notice it looks like it's got steel front axles. The B6.1 has aluminum axles. Lay down or lay back transmission, cool. Front and rear anti-roll bar integration, very nice. Rear uses 7mm hexes, it looks like. The SC5M used 8.5mm rear hexes. So, and then inserts in the back. So I think that's pretty much it. Let's open this thing up now. So we got some seals here. Oh, by the way, I paid $329.99. Seemed a little bit on the expensive side, considering that the box does not come with a body. Oh yeah, I want to also mention that. You can see this is actually a fairly small box. Most short course truck boxes are gigantic because they contain a body. This one does not look like it's a body. Either that or they shrunk it down somehow. And there's the last seal. So here it is. You're seeing it just like I am. We're gonna go through a bunch of boxes and what else is going on here? Just a bunch of brand name slot cars telling you a little bit of history. I haven't noticed that before. Okay, anyways, what's the best way to do this? All right, let's just go through the back. So here we go. These got to be the rear arms, rear inserts, aluminum C and D blocks. Nice. I think probably 3.5 millimeter. No, it's gonna be at least 3.5, 4mm hinge pins. Yeah, so it's got adjustable toe, anti-squat, etc. It's got these inserts for the rear arms so that you can basically get kind of these in-between holes depending on which of these inserts you use. Oh, it's just, oh, and they're also, I guess you can run front-mounted rear shocks on the rear arms, it looks like. Next up, we got the shocks. So a little bit of shock fluid, a little bit smaller than before. They used to give you these giant full-size bottles. Looks like it's got 30 weight Associated oil. I wish they give you full-size bottles still, so it looks like it could cost a little bit. Nice machine pistons, X-rings, aluminum adjusters, aluminum shock bodies. Still got the plastic caps, as is typical with the Team Associated. And springs-wise, these are, it looks like the new V2 springs. They got the painted little thing. So green on the back and looks like white up front. So curious to see if these springs are any different. Ball cups, turnbuckles, little wrench. These turnbuckles look a little different than what I'm used to. I'm curious if they're slightly different. I don't know. They look like they're more machined or something. I don't know. They look slightly different. Now, one thing I did want to check is where this is actually made, because it should be made in Taiwan now. So the old ones were made in China. Looking at the box, it says it anywhere. Does not seem to say where it is actually made. Wonder where that is. Very odd. I thought that was like a requirement of these. Oh, here we go. Made in Taiwan. There you see it. So yeah, they moved the manufacturing over to Taiwan. Originally, they were in China for the previous kits. Hopefully the build quality is a little bit higher. My V6.1 had very nice build quality. So hoping to see the same from my SC6.1. So here's all the main stuff. So you got the rear shock tower, looks like, carbon fiber or graphite. A little cover for the transmission. Looks like for the stand-up transmission. I don't think that will fit the lay down or lay back. Transmission has rear bumper, motor plate. Here's the slipper. Uses these new white pads, which I don't know if they're higher friction or what, but nice little motor plate. Yeah, check out this tiny little top shaft with looks like the steel centerpiece for the slipper. That's the V6.1 style, so they did change that. Inserts for the transmission cases to adjust diff height. You get a 81 tooth spur gear. Spur gear cover. Alright, so that's the main transmission pieces. Battery strap, steel wheel nuts. Not particularly attractive, but they should work. Hopefully, oh, it does not look like they even are lock nuts, so I'm not sure you would really want to use these wheel nuts. Nothing too much else going on there. Here we've got the rear CDAs, rear hubs with the inserts, so you could adjust axle height, plastic inserts for the rear hubs. Here's the metal pieces. Aluminum rear hexes, very nice. Ball studs, some really thick hinge pins there. I don't think there's anything else going on. A couple spacers. Okay, here we go with the ball differential. So again, tiny little pieces, tiny little lube pieces here. So these are smaller than average. This is definitely not as big as they used to give you. Ball diff, steel out dries obviously. Here's the steel polished. Diff rings. I don't think there's anything really changed in the ball differential. Now we've got, looks like the front caster blocks and spindles, adjustable caster. I don't see anything else too different. So other changes from the SC5M, you got the steering box now. You can adjust basically your sort of the Ackerman rate and that kind of thing. Aluminum bushings, very nice. All right, here's the big bag. So the big bag, we've got front bumper, front shock tower. You got the Nerf bars. These are gigantic Nerf bars, man. It's huge. I've never seen Nerf bars that big before. We got the servo mount here with the ring little pieces. Not sure what that little ring is. Probably for the servo horn. Plastic servo horns, I'm sure. I don't see them. Oh, you got a little steel hinge pin brace up front. So nice to see. Adds a little more durability. You got side rails, tiny little kick-up plate or hinge pin brace. So that's got 30 degree and 25 degree. You can't really see it there, but 30 degree and 25 degree kick up, adjustable with one single piece. Nice to see. Improvement for the SC5M. It's pretty much like that bag. And then here we go with the steering bell cranks, front bulkhead, Ackerman plate, ball studs, some washers, little, I don't know what you call this, crossbar. Now, as you can see, most of the parts are on parts trees. Guess they can't figure out how to get those off yet, but here's the chassis. Looks pretty nice. Doesn't actually have any labels, logos, laser etching, serial numbers, or anything. Interesting. So, pretty good machining. Yeah, nice little chassis piece. And the last bag, here we've got basically Velcro for your body, I guess. Huh, never really used Velcro on my body. Not sure. Oh, it comes with, oh, check that out. Double-sided sticky tape, 3M. That's very nice. I like that. Little foam cushion for your battery, antenna tube, stickers. Now, yes, there is no body. Yes, there are no wheels. Parts come on parts trees. Nothing is pre-cut. Here's the manual. Okay. Looks like a pretty standard manual for Team Associated. Nice to see they have some charts to tell you how to use the pill system. I think it's a little more comprehensive than the B6.1 was. I don't recall them actually explaining that. Little gear chart. So I'm going to put in, I think, a 6.5. I'm not totally sure. So it's definitely going to be a mod truck. The only reasonable motor I have is a 6.5 right now, but it's going to be a little bit overpowered. So we'll see how that goes. I'm not really sure what I'm going to run yet, but it's the only motor I've got right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. SC6.1. It's going to take me a while to build this. I'm actually kind of busy right now with work and such. So it may be a little while before I'm able to actually build this thing, but it should be fun. You know, I'm looking forward to it. I haven't had a short course race truck in a while, so this will be cool. And anyways, thanks for watching. Look for a build video on this hopefully in the next few weeks, and have a good summer. Thanks for watching.